So question number 4, page number 406. This is a similar question as the question number 2 and 3 I give you in homework in previous video, right? So for just your practice I'm solving. Okay, so this is, if we take these two opposite side, this become minus, so here x square minus y square, so I'm taking these two opposite sides, so plus become minus and minus become plus. So what we get, twice xy dy is equal to y square minus x square dx, right? For this is your practice and for your reference I am solving, otherwise it's the same question, right? So now first of all what we have to do, express this equation in dy by dx form. So I am expressing this in dy by dx form is equal to, this is y square minus x square, right? Taking this to here, this to here, so this is 2xy, y square minus x square upon 2xy. Degree of this is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? Order is 2, 2, 2. So this is a homogeneous function, but we have to prove. That means we have to take x square common from numerator. So if we take x square common from numerator, we get y by x whole square, y by x whole square minus 1 whole upon, we have to take x square common from here, that is divide by x square. So if we divide by x square, we get 2y upon x, right? So this is a function of the form phi of y by x. There is no lambda, there is lambda raised to 0, no x is there. So this is a homogeneous differential equation with degree 0, right? So this is a homogeneous function with degree 0, and this is equation number 1 is a homogeneous differential equation, right? So I am saying this here as a number 1 as this equation, right? I got this. So therefore the which is homogeneous function with degree 0 and therefore equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation, right? So what we have to assume y by x is equal to v. So let y by x is equal to v. So this implies y is equal to vx. So what we get, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, as usual you know. Now substituting this value in 1. So from 1 what we get, from 1 v plus x dv by dx is equal to, this is v square minus 1 whole upon twice v. So for changing this equation in a variable separable form, taking v to right hand side, we get v right hand side लेंगे तो x dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 upon twice v minus v होगा, v square minus 1 upon twice v minus v square, multiplying this what we get, minus 2v square. So v into, right, dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 minus 2v square upon twice v हो जाएगा. Now this is v square minus 2v square is minus v square. So this is x dv by dx is equal to minus, I am taking common, v square plus 1 upon twice v, because this is also minus, this is minus. So if we take minus common, we write this. Now this is a variable separable form. So writing twice v upon v square plus 1 into dv is equal to dx upon x, and this is minus, so minus. So this is variable separable form. Got it? है ना इजी? कुछ नहीं करना है, बस सिंप्लीफाई करना है. मगर ये थोड़ा जो है वो आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा, वो आप इजी है, आप इजीली कर सकते हैं. So now integrating, this is twice v upon v square plus 1 dv is equal to minus dx upon x, right? So derivative of denominator is in numerator, so we have to also write log mod c. So we get log mod v square plus 1 is equal to minus log mod x plus log mod c. Got it? So this is log a minus log b is log a upon b. So we get log mod v square plus 1 is equal to log mod c by x. So both have a log and log is a 1 function. So removing that, we get 1 plus v square is equal to c by x. So we get 1 plus v square is equal to c by x. Now replacing v by y by x. So we get, I'm writing here, so 1 plus y square by x square is equal to c upon x. So taking x square LCM, we get x square plus y square upon x square is equal to c by x. That is x square plus y square is equal to cx. X square plus y square is equal to cx, right? So this is your general solution. Okay, so x square plus y square is equal to cx, which is your general solution. This question is question number 5, page 406. X square into dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy. First of all, we have to express this in our dy by dx form. So dividing both sides by x square, we get dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 2 upon y by x whole square plus y by x. Equation number 1, which is I'm not writing now this is a homogeneous function with degree 0. I'm directly writing this is a homogeneous differential equation with degree 0, right? Which is, okay, got it? So no need to write, okay? So which is homogeneous differential equation, right? If you want to write degree, then degree 0, right? So as usual, assuming y by x is equal to v, so let y by x is equal to v. So we get y is equal to vx. Differentiating as usual, we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now substituting this value in 1, what we get? So from 1 we get v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 2v square plus v, right? Now this v will be cut. So remaining will be x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 2v square. So converting in variable separable form. So this is dv upon 1 minus 2v square is equal to dx by x. Got it? Any problem? Right? Now this is a variable separable form, right? So this is a variable separable form. So integrating, we get integration dv upon 1 minus, this is root 2v whole square, right? So I am writing root 2v whole square. So reducing your step is equal to integration dx upon x. So this is a very preliminary formulas of indefinite integration. 1 upon under root a square minus x square. Answer is 1 upon twice a log mod a plus x upon a minus x. So answer is 1 upon twice a is 1, right? Log mod a plus root 2v upon 1 minus root 2v, right? But coefficient of v is root 2, so we have to divide by root 2 also. So I am writing root 2 here. So this is 1 upon 2 root 2. I know that this is remaining, right? And integration of this is log mod x. Integration of this is log mod x and then plus c, right? So plus c, right? Now v, what is v? V is y by x, so substituting value. So 1 plus root 2 into y by x whole upon 1 minus root 2 into y by x is equal to log mod x plus c. Log mod x plus c. So taking LCM, we get x as a LCM, right? So 1 upon 2 root 2 log. This is x plus root 2y whole upon x minus root 2y, right, is equal to log mod x plus c, which is your GS, is required general solution. रिक्वायर्ड जनरल सॉल्यूशन. तो है ना इजी. हाँ, तो आपको अभी 5 एग्जांपल्स हो गए, इसमें से मैंने 2 ही आपको होमवर्क में दिया था. तो ये लेक्चर के एंड में आपको और फ्यू क्वेश्चंस होमवर्क में जो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, तो आप बोलेंगे तो अभी, नहीं तो मैं देने वाला नहीं हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पेज 406. x dy minus y dx is equal to root x square plus y square dx. See here 2 times dx. So taking these two right hand side becomes plus. So we get x dy is equal to y plus under root y square plus x square, and taking ds as a common. Got it? Now we require this function in dy by dx form, right? Either we write dx by dy, but see, if we write x upon this, then this is not integrable. But if we take x to here, then it is integrating, right? So that's why I'm writing here dy by dx is equal to, this is y by x plus under root, this is x square plus y square upon x. Got it? Now taking x square common from here, we get dy by dx is equal to y by x plus, if we take x square common, then this become x into root, and x will be cut. So this is root 1 plus y by x whole square, equation number 1, which is a homogeneous differential equation, degree 0, right, which is homogeneous differential equation, degree is 0, right? So what we have to assume y by x is equal to v, right, and solve yourself. Let y by x is equal to v, right? You have to start. One पहले करता है, चलो start करो, right? So this implies y is equal to v x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substituting value of dy by dx in equation number 1. So from 1 we get dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus under root 1 plus v square. So under root 1 plus v square, right? So this is very easy question. Now this v cut, so we get dv upon dx into x is equal to root. This is extra step, unnecessary I'm writing, right? ये लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So take this is root v square plus 1 is equal to dx upon x. So this is a variable separable form. So integrating, what we get? Integrating 1 upon under root v square plus 1 dv is equal to integration dx upon x, right? So now 1 upon under root x square plus a square. What is the answer? 1 upon under root x square plus a square. Answer is log mod, right? So log mod x is v plus under root as it is v square plus 1 is equal to log mod x. This is log, this is log. So we have to write log mod c. So plus log mod c. Now log it, and this is x. So taking these two left hand side, either you can take write here log a into b, right? So I'm writing log a into v, that is the better. So log v plus under root v square plus 1 is equal to log mod c x. Now replacing v by y by x, right? We assume for y by x, and log is a one function, so removing it, this is y by x plus under root y square upon x square plus 1 is equal to c x. Now if we take LCM, then this is y square plus x square upon x square, but square root in x square square root, so we get therefore y by x plus this is under root y square plus x square, either x square plus y square whole upon x is equal to cx, is equal to cx, right? Got it? Any problem? Now if you want to remove x, then therefore y plus under root x square plus y square, x square plus y square is equal to cx square, which is a required general solution, which is a required general solution. है ना इसे? हाँ? Question number 7, page 406. X cos y by x plus y sin y by x into y dx is equal to y sin y by x minus x cos y by x into x dy. Right? No need to worry. हाँ? कोई टेंशन लेना नहीं है. क्या करना है? पहले इसको dy by dx में एक्सप्रेस करना है. You must have to express this in the form of dy by dx. So I am writing dy by dx. So term containing d with dx is this one. So this is as it is. So x into cos. Write carefully. Right? Y sin y by x into y whole upon this term, y sin y by x, y sin y by x, right, minus x cos y by x, bracket over into there may be a x. Got it? तो ये हो गया, right? अब क्या करेंगे? तो कुछ नहीं करना है. Taking x common from here and taking y common from here from denominator. If we take x common from numerator, here this become y by x and this x will be cut. Here from y take common, then this become here from also you can take x common, so it becomes x square, right? So this x will be cut and this y by x will be v, right? See, like this. This is dy by dx is equal to, I am taking x common from here, so this is x, right? So this will be cos y by x plus this is y by x into sin, right? आपको consciously लिखना है, right? Into y as it is. Got it? Now again taking x common from here, we get this is y by x sin y by x and minus this is cos y by x, right? And x as it is. Got it? So ये x cancel हो गया और ये जो y by x है वो y by x भी हो जाएगा. So this is a homogeneous differential equation with degree 0, right? Say this is number 1, which is homogeneous differential equation, right, with degree 0. With degree 0. So what you have to assume? Assume y by x is equal to v. So we assume that let y by x is equal to v. So this implies y is equal to vx. So therefore differentiating this we get dy by dx. Now ये तो आपको लर्न बाय हर्ट हो गया होगा. क्या आता है आंसर इसका? v plus x dv by dx. So substituting value of this in equation number 1. So from 1 what we get? So from 1 we get v plus x dv by dx is equal to, cautiously लिखना है, cos v. So this is cos v right? Plus v sine v. So v sine v, bracket over, and this y by x is v, so I'm writing v here. Got it? Whole upon v sine v. So v sine v minus cos v. So minus cos v. एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं, करेक्ट है ना? cos v plus v sin v into v, right? v sin v minus cos v. Okay, so now taking v to right hand side and multiply by v also here, right? We multiply this also, so we get x dv by dx. So x dv by dx is equal to, this is v cos v minus v square sin v right? Whole upon v sin v minus cos v and minus v, and taking minus v2 here becomes minus. So we get x dv by dx is equal to v cos v minus v square sin v minus, multiplying with v, we get v square sin v, right? And minus minus plus, in numerator this is plus, so this is plus, right? And minus minus plus v cos v whole upon, this is v sin v minus cos v, right? v cos v plus v square sin v, okay, and v sin v minus cos v. Fine. So this v square sin v will be cut. So we get x dv by dx is equal to 2 times v cos v whole upon v sin v minus cos v, right? So nothing to do. You have to simplify after substituting the value of y is equal to v by x and differentiation value, right? Change into a variable separable form, and that is the few tedious work. You have to write many steps. Okay, so now this is a variable separable form. So we get v sin v minus cos v, taking these to left hand side, whole upon twice v cos v, right? dv is equal to dx by x. This is variable separable, and integrating this, if we take separate, then v cancel, 1 upon 2 tan v. What we get? 1 upon 2 tan v, right? So either you can keep 2 here, no need to take 2 here, right? Why we are writing 1 upon 2, right? Keep 2 is as it is here. This is in multiplication. So 2 as it is here. So we get v cancel, this is tan v, right? And integration dv minus cos v cancel, integration 1 upon v dv is equal to 2 times integration dx by x. I'm reducing steps now. Okay, now integration of tan v is log mod sec v. So answer is log mod sec v minus log mod v is equal to 2 times log mod x plus log mod c, right? Now if you take these 2 to here, it becomes log x square. So log a plus log b is log a into b, and this is log a minus log b is log a upon b, right? So writing this log mod, this is sec v upon v is equal to log, this become x square, and then a plus b is x square into c. Got it? Now log is a 1 function, so doing and substituting the value of v, we get sec v is y by x, right? Upon v. So I'm taking v2 here, then this become is equal to y by x, and this is x square into c. I'm writing v2 here after removing log from both sides, right? So 1x will be cut, So we get sec y by x. So I have space here. So I'm writing here. So we get sec y by x is equal to xyc. Sec y by x is equal to xyc. So what is the answer given in your textbook? Answer is given xy. Okay. So writing this in the cos form. So this is 1 upon cos y by x is equal to xy into c. So we get, taking c to this side, 1 upon c is equal to xy cos y by x. And instead of 1 upon c, you may write c1 dash. Either you can put from here, this is c1, 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 and put c here. So what you get? xy cos y by x is equal to c, where c is equal to 1 upon c1. That is your required general solution, right? So as I give you a promise, right, these 5 examples are for you for practice. So do solve at home, and this is a one question of textbook. It's a very easy question, so you can. So आपको ये सब एग्जाम्पल प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके.